Hello viewers, this is yet another exciting lesson. In today's lesson, we want to deal with this exponential quadratic expression. So we want to find x in this type of expression. So let's get started. First of all, we convert the base in the right hand side and the left hand side to the base 5. So we have 5 raised to power 2 x raised to power 2 plus 2x multiplied by converting this one to base 5 will give us 5 raised to power 2 into bracket x minus 1 equals to this 125 also give us 5 raised to power 3 into bracket x squared minus 3. So from here we simplify the power. So we're using this identity base a power m multiplied by another power n to give us base a power m multiplied by power n. So we use its identity to simplify the exponent. So we now have 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 plus 2x multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 into bracket x minus 1 equals to 5 raised to power 3 into bracket x raised to power 2 minus 3. So from here we can now expand the power, the exponent at the left hand side and the right hand side. We have 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 plus 2x multiplied by 5, then 2 multiplied by the bracket. We have 2x minus 2 equals to 5 raised to power 3 multiplied by the bracket. We have 3x squared minus 9. So from here, what we need to do is to combine this exponent together using this identity base a power m multiplied by base a power n with resulting answer as base a power m plus power n. So we use this to combine the exponent. So that becomes 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 2x minus 2 equals to 5 raised to power 3x power 2 minus 9. So I haven't combined the exponent, so we can then simplify that of the left hand side. We have 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 2x plus 2x will give us plus 4x minus 2 equals to 5 raised to power 3x raised to power 2 minus 9. So from here we can now cancel out the base. Since they are the same, we cancel out this and this. Then we are left with the exponent. We have x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals to 3x squared minus 9. So from here, what we need to do is to move the expression at the right hand side to the left hand side to equate the right hand side to a 0. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 2, then minus 3x squared plus 9. Everything equals to 0. So from here, we can simplify this as well. X squared minus 3x squared will give us minus 2x squared. We have minus 2x squared, then plus 4x minus 2 plus 9 will then give us plus 7. Plus 7. Everything equals to 0. So we can rearrange this by multiplying everything with minus sign. We have 2x squared minus 4x minus 7 equals to 0. So we arrive at quadratic equation. So the expression lead us to quadratic equation. So, and this quadratic equation will be solved using the quadratic formula. So to solve for x, we have the quadratic equation to be x equals to 4. So let's give out the quadratic equation first. So minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is the quadratic equation. And this BAC from this equation is given as A is equal to 2, the first term over here. Then B equals to minus 4, the coefficient of x. Then C equals to 7, the constant term. So we have C equals to minus 7. So from here, we can input all this value back into the equation. So we have x equals to plus, that is 4, plus or minus this minus, we multiply this minus. So we have ordinary 4. So plus or minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared, that is minus 4 squared. Okay, minus 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 7. Okay, all over 2 multiplied by 2. So this can be written as 4 plus or minus square root 4 multiply minus 4 multiply each other, we have 16. Then minus we multiply this minus, so we have minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 7, so we have plus 56 over 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4. So this will be equals to 4 plus or minus square root, so 16 plus 56, we have 72 over 4, and this can be equals to, so we can split this 72, we can simplify this 72. So we have 4 plus or minus square root, and that will be given as 36 multiplied by 2 over 4. Then that can be separated as well. We have 4 plus or minus square root of 36 multiplied by square root of 2 over 4. That will be equals to 4 plus or minus square root of 36 will be given as 6 square root over 4. So from here, we can simplify this. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Okay, so this then becomes 2 plus or minus 3 square root of 2 over 2. So this gives us the value of x. So, and that can be written as x. This implies that x equals to 2 plus 3 square root of 2 over 2, or x equals to 2 minus 3 square root of 2 over 2. These are the two possible values of x. So, and that concludes the solution of x. Thanks for watching. Check the next video to continue to improve your skill on algebra.